Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shimpo Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatigyan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating matasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, Scorpio, so nalagdagan ng ating cards, guys. Meron tayong new card for may new card tayo guys ha. This is a new card na gagamitin natin for angels, no? For archangels messages. So there's a lot of archangel dito na naglalaman, no? So ibig sabihin may mga advices, messages sa'yo na dadagdagan natin. So there's a romance angels pa na mas madadagdagan ng message for love life, no? And of course, ang madadagdagan din, and of course, there's a yin and yang oracle card na nadagdagan ng cards natin at the same time. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, sa walang pagsawa ng panonood, and of course, yung mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Nakakatulong yan sa atin at nadadagdagan ng ating baraha. Maraming salamat po. Papagandahin at lalo pa natin ito padadagdagin ang lahat ng mensahe na ibibigay natin sa'yo para mas lalo plakado at talagang on point, and of course talagang ihahatid at ibabatid natin sa inyo ang pinakamensahe ng ating mga gabay. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. So guys, umpisahan na natin ang totoong laban. Kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Pasensya na guys, ang dami nating mga sinasabi kasi nga, diba? So excited! Oh my God, kumapit ka. Ito na. Angel Spirit Messages. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa atin ng linggong September 16 hanggang September 22? And of course, there's an 8 of Cups. Letting go. Okay. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough, no? Kung kailangan mong pakawalan yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo kontrolado, bitawan. And of course, the Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. Makukuha mo what you deserve, diba? Kumbaga, you are on the spotlight. Ikaw ang pinagtitinginan at ikaw ang minahangaan ng karamihan. And of course, there's a 5 of Swords. Mag-ingat and of course, be strategic, no? Gumamit ka ng mga strategiya kung paano mo pa maiikutin ang isang eksena. So, what is additional messages? Because there's a judgment, there's a wake-up call, awakening, or kumbaga parang ginigising ka or parang minumulat ka sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo nakikita, no? Kumbaga judgment na parang it's a red flag or awakening or red flag nga. So there's some 5 of Swords, so strategy, no? Mag-ingat, baka magkaroon ng self-sabotage, no? Mag-ingat po. So what is additional messages? So there's a 3 of Wands, waiting for a ship and waiting for a result by land or by air, no? Or by water, no? Meron ditong inaantay kan dumating or yung iresulta, no? Baka mag-travel ka, or of course the Queen of Cups, there's an healing. Magkakaroon ka raw ng healing in all aspects. May dala-dala siyang mirror, so ibig sabihin there's a reflection. And of course the 3 of Swords, 6 of Swords, sorry. There's a 6 of Swords, there's a transition, no? Kumbaga makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon bilang moving forward. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords in the High Priestess. There's an unexpected moment. And of course, there's some, kumbaga, blessing disguise happen, no? Kumbaga, itong, hindi mo ina-expect pero makukuha mo yung corona. Ganun. What is the 5 of Swords? And of course, there's a 10 of Swords. See? There's a backstabbing. Mag-ingat ka kasi may kumukuha ng information sa'yo. There's a 7 of Swords. There's a cheating lying on you. There's a red flag. No? Nararamdaman mo na may taong nagbabackstab sa'yo. Or may taong kumukuha ng information sa'yo. So, what is the 3 of Wands? And of course, there's a 7 of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities. No? Okay, what is the Queen of Cups? There is a 5 of Cups. There's an healing from doubt or regret, no? May mga bagay na nasayang from the past, no? Magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is the Eight of Cups, the Six of Swords? There's Six of Cups. So, there is a past coming back or there's a past person na hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. No, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong there's a transition, baguhin mo na yung eksena mo. No? And of course, there's a Emperor. Be mature enough, no? Kailangan maging mature ka na. Hindi ka na dapat magpabudol pa. 'Di ba? There's some unexpected turning event na mayroon taong babalik at susubukan kang guluhin or susubukan kang sirain, no? What is the Five of Swords and the Ten of Swords? It's either a person or friend or hindi siya, kung hindi ex to, an ex-friend, no? May taong tinraidor ka before, kaibigan mo, niloko ka, tinraidor ka, ti. 'Di ba ngayon ano ka na, nakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon, bumabalik siya. Gusto ka ulit niya ma-stress. And of course, the Strength card, confident, na? Kumbaga, lakasan mo na yung loob mo, 'di ba? Hindi ka na mabubudol, ti. What is the Judgment of the Seven of Swords? There's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning. Binago mo na eksena, ti. Kailangan mo nang kumawala dyan. Diba? Bakit ka babalik, ti? Para ko muna informasyon. Gigigil ako sa'yo. Ganon. Kumbaga, wag ka na magpapauto dyan. Lalapit yan, kukuha na informasyon. Tapos sisiraan ka. Diba? Ganon. Tapos, yung mga sinabi mo, sasabihin doon sa mga pinagchismisan niya. Ganon. Diba? What is the Three of Wands and the Seven of Cups? There's a Queen of Wands, confident, and of course, control, no? And of course, kailangan magkaroon ka dito ng, kumbaga, responsibility and discipline, no? Sa sarili mo. Maraming oportunidad na raw na papasok sa'yo dito. What is the Queen of Cups and the Five of Cups? What is the Queen of Cups and the Five of Cups? Okay, thank you, Angel Spirit. There is Queen of Pentacles being practicality, a sense of finances. Kumbaga, pagdating sa pera talaga, kumbaga magaling ka humawak ng pera. Of course, the Star card, matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Hold tight. Hawak ka lang na mahigpit. So, what is the total outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome nito, guys, is the Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances sa'yo. 'Di ba? At the same time, there's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady. No? There's some impatience sometimes. Minsan parang gusto mo agad-agad, hindi gano'n ang eksena. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a lot of obligations, responsibilities na kailangan mong i-manage. And of course, the Ace of Cups, there's a new offer, new romance, no? May panibagong magbibigay sa'yo ng eksena. Of course, there's an Eight of Swords. There's an Ace of Swords in reverse. There's a freedom. Para makakalaya ka na sa eksena na to. No? At the same time, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. No? May partnership dito na, kumbaga, talagang tulong. Magtutulungan. And of course, there's a Five of Pentacles in reverse. Recovery about sa finances. So, let's see what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Comfort zone, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa comfort zone mo, sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo, sa iniiwasan mo. There's a deception. Kumbaga parang nahihirapan ka, 'di ba? May mga bagay na nahihirapan ka dito. And of course, so what is this is Archangel Mike. This is Archangel card. So let's see what is Archangel. 'Di ba? What angels will help you from your situation? Sino ang gagabay at tutulong sa iyo? Serapina. Let's see. Be an ambassadors for Earth. Build your bridge into source, no? Lahat ng source of in all aspects na lahat ng source na pinanghahawakan mo, kumbaga tutulungan ka raw nito ni Serapine, no? At siya yung gumagabay sa iyo. So what is kumbaga what is romance angels? What is the romance angels? So, there's a children. Some of you may mga anak na, or your love life is being affected by children. Some of you, baka yung love life nyo, kumbaga, nagkakaroon kayo ng eksena na naiipit yung mga anak nyo. And of course, this could be the one. You already met the romantic partner you sexy. Nakita mo na yung tao talagang hinahanap mo. No? Nga lang kasi naiipit talaga sa sitwasyon yung mga anak mo. So, what is the energy? What is this energy? There's a 4th chakra Archangel Raphael for healing. And of course, there's 3rd chakra Archangel Chamuel for your stomach. And of course, there's the thinking man, no? Tinitignan ka itong person na to bilang isang diamond. You're shining like a diamond. Hindi hindi lang ginto ang kumikinang, 'di ba? And of course, addiction. Some of you kumbaga there's an obsession and ayun yung nagbibigay ng block sa'yo. Kumbaga may mga bagay na gusto ka makuha, gano'n. Kumbaga inagad mo, no? Kumbaga mag-ingat po, And of course, there's a hammer. There's a sabotage and revealed, no? Mayroon talaga sabotage dito. Kailangan mag-ingat ka. And of course, there's a hammer, no? Revealing, na kailangan mong buuin yung mga bagay na nasira. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an health, no? I will honor the physical vessels with the enshrine my soul. Ibig sabihin dito yung meron kang health issues or health problems. So, kailangan mo magpatingin o magpa-check up. Kapag alam mong, kumbaga nagpapatingin sa doktor and of course, walang nakikita, walang try mo sa spiritual naman, Kailangan may medical and spiritual tayo. So, what is additional messages? There's an angel, support by guidance. Ang ating angel spirit daw sinusuportahan ka. And there's a survival. You are being survivor, no? Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na lalagpasan mo. What is the chakra? Chakra is a trickery, no? Maraming manloloko sa paligid mo. Maraming taong susubukang kanlokohin. There's a growth, no? Kumbaga, there's an expansion, growth and expansion yan. Kumbaga, may ugat ng eksena at maaari mamunga na siya, diba? Maaari mag-grow na siya. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology, angel spirit guides? You and your loved ones are safe, no? Safe naman daw ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay and prosperity lies ahead. No, napakalapit mo na raw talagang malapit mo na makamtan ang tagumpay at kasaganahan. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Forgive yourself, you done nothing wrong. Napatawarin mo rin yung sarili mo, wala kang ginawang masama at wala kang ginawang mali. And of course, go forward fearlessly. Magpatuloy ka. Dapat hindi ka natatakot at hindi ka nagkakaroon ng pangamba. And of course, ask Archangel Michael to help you from the situation. Sometimes may mga pinagdadaanan tayo sa buhay na kailangan natin humingi ng tulong sa ating Archangel Michael para makaalis tayo dyan sa situation, So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a support, no? Sinusuportan daw tayo ng angel spirit sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay natin. Kumbaga talagang there's a guidance and a support by angel spirit, yung mga gabay, no? And of course, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka raw. No, pagpatuloy mo yan kung ano naman yung ginagawa mo, mag-ingat at maging aware, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay o mga tao sa paligid mo. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Nothing shall be impossible to you. So, wala daw imposible pagdating sa'yo. No? So, what is angel's number? There's an 18. I am a kind-hearted. So, let's see. You are both open-minded and open-hearted, and your ambition is to live this world better than you found it. Ensure that your goals are aligned with the collective needs and with the higher good of life. Ibig sabihin dito, gusto mo naka-organize, gusto mo ayos na, maganda na, ganon. Kumbaga, gusto mo nakaset na lahat sa eksena na alam mo makakabuti sa lahat ng nasa paligid mo, even sa family mo, sa sarili mo, and of course sa loved ones mo. No? Gusto mo naka-separate at nakaayos na lahat at talagang hindi na magugulo. So, dagdagan natin what is the karmic card. This is a karmic card. Let's see what is the karmic card for you. Ano ang may dadagdag sa atin ng ating karmic card? Bago tayo mag-messages of life. What is the karmic? Planet, signs, and of course, house. Houses, planets, and of course, the signs. Give more information. Okay. Okay, thank you. There's a planet. So, some of you, there's a planets and of course, there's a signs. So, umpisahan natin sa planets. Enjoy. Charms are the beauty, are the way to. See? Kailangan mo ng charms and protection sa makakatulong yan sa'yo para mas maging maganda at magaang ang buhay mo. The attractions of pleasure from good times. See? Nakakapag-attract siya ng exenity. And of course, sinasabi ng signs, your beliefs the cause of use the most direct way. In Taurus. So, some of you may coordinations about Taurus. Resources to maintain the practicality of resulting from the productivity. See, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo na being practical. At madadagdag kasi source of income mo, source of, kumbaga, people. Kumbaga, kailangan mo maging practical and of course, yung mga paniniwala at yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. No? Kailangan direct to the point ka. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Boom, kara-kara, kaganda pa. So, what is the messages of life? May pahabol daw. So, what is, okay, additional messages. This is, additional messages, guys, ha. So, dagdagan natin ng additional messages. So, paano siya natin nadadagdagan? So, what is additional messages? Give me a 3 card for, clarification, diba? Para mailahad natin na mas pasabog yung eksena. Give me a 3 card, Angel Spirit. Ano yung pinaka-powerful message sa'yo ng ating Angel Spirit? 1 card, Angel Spirit Guides. Okay, thank you. Oh, 4 cards ang binigay niya. Okay, thank you, angels. So, sinasabi dito, guys, there's a page of wands na there's a good news coming in for you and of course, there's a magician. There's a manifestation and of course, there's an information na ibibigay sa'yo ni God. Magician is God. God card. And of course, there's a 4 of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. A King of Vessels. So, ibig sabihin, there's a devoted and supportive person. And of course, there's a 4 of Pentacles na sinasabi sa'yo dito, protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo ang iyong finances. Secure for your finances or resource of income, kailangan mo pangalagaan. Kumbaga, money flow na to. So, ibig sabihin na si God na yung mga bagay, ibibigay na ni God yung mga bagay na gusto mo. There's a love, there's a finances, and of course, there's a good news. And there's an health. So, this is a powerful eksena na ibibigay sa'yo ni God. So, what is the messages of life? And of course, sinasabi rin sa'yo ni messages of life, may creative power. So, let's see. I recognize the creative power of my thoughts. I know that I can use them to build, to destroy. Today, I choose to use my thoughts to create a universe filled with a joy and harmony. I will maintain a positive attitude. I have the power to create love and peace. So, ibig sabihin dito, ikaw yung makakapagdikta kung makakagawa ka o makakasira ka ng sitwasyon mo. So, ikaw yung may handle or you are being creator. And of course, you are being manipulator on your life. No? Ikaw yung magmamanifest, ikaw yung mga bagay na gagawa ng bagay na ikasisira at ikabubuo mo. No? Kumbaga, ikaw ang mag-aakda ng sarili mong kwento. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Scorpio. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat, guys. And of course, don't forget to to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon sa mga susunod na araw para reading mo na or energy mo na ang ating masagap. Maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!